I was stuck at work for 8 to 10 hours a day, traveling for business every week and spending my weekends packed with meetups and dinners out. Same things over and over. Life was flying by and something just felt missing. When I started going on solo backpacking trips, I realized I needed time just for myself. Backpacking is a slow journey. When you ride on a bike, you're completely connected to what's around you: nature, the road, everything. You are the distance. You can stop for coffee or talk to whoever you meet along the way. And when you come back home from a bike trip, you are a slightly different person, a little richer inside. Pedaling is the best way I know to stay grounded in the here and now.